Swedish scientists have discovered humans infected with the malaria parasite send out a signal to attract mosquitoes to feed on them and continue the cycle of infection. Together with their colleagues, Professor Ingrid Fay of the Department of Molecular Biosciences and Noshim Imami, a postdoctoral researcher at the Wenner-Gren Institute at Stockholm University, discovered that the system helps the mosquito parasite to spread and survive without killing the hosts.
I always see when I offer the infected blood to mosquitoes, they are faster. And then after that I discussed with my mentor, Ingrid Fay, the Professor Ingrid Fay, and then I just explained my understanding depends on this system.
In a lab at Stockholm University, the scientists experimented by feeding mosquitoes with infected and uninfected blood.
She offered me to basically prepare a test for that, and then I make it and I understand yes, it's really fast. In 90 seconds all the mosquitoes come and are really fed and completely engorged and fly away.
The parasite produces a molecule called HMBPP, which stimulates human blood to release more carbon dioxide, making the blood more attractive to mosquitoes and causing them to feed more.
And the interesting thing was that when we took away the red blood cells from the blood and just gave them serum with this molecule, they didn't care. So it was the same with the control and the actual test, which was really interesting.
Mosquitoes were previously thought to randomly collect the malaria infection and pass it on by biting uninfected hosts.
Most of the people think it's a chance mosquitoes go and bite on infected people by malaria parasite and get the parasite, and then next time they go and bite another person and can transfer the parasite to the next person.
The scientists say they are now researching ways to combat malaria by disrupting the transmission of signals, thus breaking the cycle of infection.
But we understand, no, this is not a chance. Actually, the parasite make a signal for its own transmission. And if we can just disrupt these signals, then we can just maybe disrupt this cycle of malaria after this long time.
And from that we could go on and find out then that it was the red blood cells that were activated or inducing the release of certain smells or volatiles that, in addition to carbon dioxide, attracted the mosquitoes.
The mosquitoes would like to bite the infectious person. We trap these mosquitoes, then we control the system, and trapping could be the best and the first idea for us.
The research was published in the journal Science. Beryl Oro for CGTN.